Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make kiwi iced tea. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe kiwis, peeled and sliced, along with 4 black tea bags or 2 tablespoons of your favorite loose leaf tea. Don't forget 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 cups of water for our delicious kiwi syrup. Finally, have some fresh mint and plenty of ice on hand for the perfect, refreshing drink. Now, let's create our flavorful kiwi syrup. In a small saucepan, combine your peeled and sliced kiwis with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the kiwis to soften and the sugar to fully dissolve. Once done, strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract every last drop of that vibrant kiwi essence. Next, we'll prepare our tea base. Brew your 4 black tea bags in 1 cup of hot water for about 5 minutes to achieve a strong infusion. Once brewed, remove the tea bags and allow the tea to cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for preventing a cloudy iced tea. Now, in a large pitcher, combine your cooled black tea with the freshly made kiwi syrup. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is perfectly blended. Finally, it's time to prepare your delicious kiwi iced tea for serving. Add about 2 cups of cold water to the pitcher to dilute it to your preferred strength. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness if needed. You can add a little more sugar or water. Fill your favorite glasses with plenty of ice cubes. Pour in the kiwi iced tea, and for a beautiful presentation, garnish each glass with a fresh kiwi slice and a sprig of fragrant mint. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.